Set the hopper in place on the grind regulator. Check that the bean trap is fully closed. Secure the hopper by tightening its security screw with a Phillips screwdriver. Remove the hopper lid, fill it with coffee, then replace the lid. Connect the plug to the power source and turn on the grinder. Open the bean trap to allow the coffee beans to enter the grind chamber. Loosen the screw using the number 3 hex Allen key provided with your grinder. Adjust the support to the desired height, using the portafilter as a guide. Tighten the screw with the number 3 hex key. Using a number 3 hex Allen key, tighten or loosen the screw located in front of the portafilter to find the correct position. Turn the grind regulator to find the desired grind setting. Turning the regulator counterclockwise will produce a finer grind. Turning the regulator clockwise will produce a coarser grind. Once you reach the desired grind setting, lock the regulator using its brake. To adjust the dose time, follow the steps shown in the video. Your grinder is now set and ready to grind.